The 25 Audi S3 stands as a testament to the intersection of luxury, performance, and technology. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore its most compelling features, each carefully crafted to elevate the driving experience. When you first lay your eyes on the 2025 Audi S3, you are greeted by its striking design. The exterior is marked by sharp lines and an aggressive stance, exuding both elegance and power. The front grille, boldly designed and unmistakably Audi, is now enhanced with a more sculpted look, creating an impressive presence on the road. The sleek LED headlights, standard in this model, offer not just a refined aesthetic but also improved visibility, adapting to the road ahead and enhancing safety during nighttime driving. As we step inside, the S3's interior welcomes you with a blend of sophistication and cutting-edge technology. The cabin, cloaked in premium materials such as fine Napa leather and brushed aluminum accents, offers a tactile experience that speaks to the Audi commitment to quality craftsmanship. At the center of this interior marvel lies the 10.1-inch touchscreen display, integrated seamlessly into the dashboard. This high-resolution display serves as the nucleus of Audi's MMI infotainment system, providing intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls. Voice recognition technology ensures that drivers can focus on the road while effortlessly commanding the car's various functions. Performance enthusiasts will revel in the heart of the 2025 Audi S3, its powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. With an impressive output of 36 horsepower, this engine propels the S3 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. The 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission facilitates rapid gear changes, delivering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and smooth. Additionally, Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system provides superior traction and stability, regardless of the driving conditions, translating every ounce of the engine's power into responsive, road-gripping agility. Technology extends beyond performance in the Audi S3, with advanced driver assistance features that enhance both safety and convenience. Adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and a comprehensive suite of sensors work in harmony, offering peace of mind in various driving scenarios. Audi's virtual cockpit, a digital 12.3-inch display behind the steering wheel, presents crucial information with customizable graphics, allowing the driver to tailor the display to personal preferences. As our exploration of the 2025 Audi S3 comes to a close, we must reflect on what makes this vehicle truly special. It's not just about impressive horsepower or luxurious interiors. It's about the synthesis of cutting-edge technology with impeccable design. The S3 embodies a forward-thinking approach, a car that anticipates the desires of the modern driver while staying true to Audi's heritage of performance excellence. In essence, the 25 Audi S3 is more than just a means of transportation. It is a statement, a harmonious fusion of sportiness and sophistication, designed for those who seek a driving experience that is as thrilling as it is refined. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the features of the 2025 Audi S3. Stay with us for more insights into the world of automotive innovation.